Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crop an image in Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically first, open your project. So by going, you can click on open project to open your project, or you can simply create a new one. Now you will need just to add your images that you want to crop or anything that you would like to crop. So simply you can go to media and add your images. You can choose also from this stock media, and I'm just going for example, for uh, any solid color, and I'm just going to choose, for example, the black one, and basically here we will have this one, and basically here we can have our content. So I can simply go here and do like this, and this is my little image. So simply to crop an image, you will need just to right click on the content, and as you can see, you will find this crop and zoom. So here you will need just to crop like the image, and simply you click on apply and it will be applied. We can do the same for this video so it can be more visible and more realistic. I'm just going to right click on the video, and basically we will need like to have a frame of it, and let's choose any other image that we have here, for example a game or anything, and I have added this image. So basically you right click on it, and here you will find crop and zoom. So now we want just to crop the image to show just like this part. You click on apply. As you can see now the content has been like cropped, and basically this is how you crop an image in Filmora. Thank you for watching and see you next time.